to turn to our show professors for Top That Trade. Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Ready to go a few rounds in our very educational trader game. Round number 1, summer fun. Bull market, bear market, sideways market. Some are fun, some are not. What type of market do you like to trade?
Well, the market's not what's fun or not. Making money is what's fun. And so it doesn't matter the market conditions. The markets aren't good or bad. I'm just naturally optimistic, and I usually like to find bullish opportunities in any market environment. That's just my nature. And we've seen the strength of the markets over the last years and decades. So that's where I go. But it just requires discipline. You've got to have a trading plan. And if you're looking to short the markets, you've got to be more nimble because oftentimes they snap back.
Summer trades make me feel fine. And I'll tell you, summer trades can be very exciting. You know, the old story was sell in May and go away. But if you've done that the last couple of years, you've missed the most excitement. So Don't go away. Stay close to your screen because I think it's going to be interesting. And this year, particularly because you have so many things going on, you know, whether it be tight supplies of commodities, weather potential issues for the grain markets, and just basically the overall economy, which is going to present some fantastic opportunities. So cancel the vacation, stay in front of the screen, and keep on, business first AM.
Round 2, timber. If the price of lumber falls, does anybody hear it?
It is. I'm telling you what, Paul Bunyan was out there cutting it. He was out there with Blue, his ox, and the prices started to fall down, right? You can bring out more supplies because prices were up. Paul Bunyan had to work double time to get those prices down. But, kind of interesting enough, this is the greatest trade that no one ever made. Why? Because the volatility in this market has been crazy and the liquidity was so small. In fact, I saw this trade coming on lumber, but I was afraid to put people in it because the swings in this contract could be 17 or 20,000 barrels a day. But the CME is to the rescue right now. You used to have to buy an entire train car full of lumber in that contract. They really made it smaller so more people can participate. It's only a truck card right now, so it's 75% smaller. That should bring liquidity to the lumber market, and it should make for a very good summer trade.
And with anything, you want to make sure you can get in smoothly and out smoothly. And you couldn't really execute your trading plan the way lumber was in the past, unless you could just hold on and for the ride. But now with the smaller contract, there's less of a deposit required. And that's a function of the market moves on a daily basis. It's much more manageable.
Round 3, hot or not. Robinhood offers 24-hour stock market trading on its app. What's your advice for not getting burned on a 24-hour trading binge?
Drink coffee. Drink a lot of coffee.
Well, this is nothing new for us. Phil and I have been awake now for 2 decades because the futures markets now have been trading 24 hours. So it's nothing new. But again, it's back to executing that plan. Make sure there's a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers. So there's and you're putting in limit orders, not market orders, to ensure that you're getting the prices that you want if you want to take advantage of that opportunity.
Yeah, that was one of the biggest fibs when we got into this industry, right? They used to tell us, great traders, they go home at noon, the market's closed, and they go to the bar and, relax the rest of the day. Not so. In fact, I'm a type of guy, I have to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning because, believe it or not, in this 24-hour market world, most of the moves, especially in commodities, are happening early in the morning. And it used to be the United States was the only game in town. Everybody else looked to us and just followed us. That's not happening. Around the globe, the economy continues to move. And that's a good thing because a good global economy means a good economic growth around the world and happier people when growth is good.
Money never sleeps.
For the bonus round question for today, summer ticker time. Are the following tickers true or false? Sand, sail, play.
All true.
They're all true, yes.
Great job, guys. You did it. All are true. You get an A+. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.